Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wanted to watch YouTube while multitasking on your iPhone? Let me show you how to minimize YouTube so you can keep watching videos while using other apps. If you are using the YouTube Premium, the app supports picture-in-picture (PIP) mode. Just tap the home button or swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go to your home screen. The video should automatically shrink to a small window. If you don't have YouTube Premium, you can use PIP by playing the video in your Chrome. Open your Chrome and go to youtube.com. Tap on the three dots at the bottom of the screen to request for desktop site. Start playing your video in the full screen mode. And simply swipe up to go to the home screen. The video will minimize and play in a small window. You can also drag the PIP window to any corner of your screen and resize it by pinching it with 2 fingers. This allows you to continue watching while using other apps. And that's it guys. Whether you have YouTube Premium or not, you can easily minimize YouTube on your iPhone and enjoy multitasking. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share these tips with your friends and family, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.